Good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Academia Ambala. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about class 6 maths topic, LCM, that is the least common multiple. Here, we will discuss different methods of finding the LCM. What are the different methods for finding the LCM? So, let's start. First is here, what are the methods of finding LCM? What are the methods of finding LCM? How we are calculating LCM? So different methods are there. First is here lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Second, we are having here prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. And third is here common division method. Common division method. So what we are going to discuss here, we are discussing here what are the different methods of finding the LCM. And let's start one by one. First is here lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Firstly, what is lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple of two or given number is the lowest or smallest least of their common multiple. So what is the situation here? Here whatever the numbers are given for which we have to find the LCM. What we'll do? We'll write their multiples. We'll write their multiples and see what are the common multiple. And after getting the common multiples from these common, we'll see what is the least, what is the smallest, what is the lowest common. That will be the LCM. Means from the common factor, we have to check what is the lowest common factor, lowest common multiple. That will be the answer. Let's understand with the example. Find the LCM of 8 and 12. Firstly, we'll write the multiples of 8 and 12. As we have written the multiples of 8 and 12 here, first common multiple is 24. Second common multiple is here 48. So firstly we'll see from these two common multiples. Firstly we can write here what are the common one. Common one are 24 and 48. From these two common one, what is the least? Least is 24. So we can say here that LCM will be here 24. LCM will be here 24. It is the least common multiple. Whatever the numbers are given, firstly you have to write the multiples. You can write few multiples. From that we can check the what are the common, and from these common we have to see what is the least common. Least common multiple will be our answer. This was the first method, lowest common multiple. Now second one is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. What we are going to do here, firstly we are making the prime factors, and after making the prime factors we are finding the LCM. Let's take example for understanding this method. Firstly we are going to find the prime factors of 12 and 18. So 12 is a even number. It will go on 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. Now 3 is prime number, so we are not going to continue it. Next number is 18. It will be 2 9s are 18. Now 9 will go on 3, not on 2. 3 3s are 9. Now the last number is a prime number, so we are not going to continue it. That means our prime factorization is done. Now using these prime factors, using this prime factorization, we are going to calculate the LCM. See, the prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, and 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. So now using these prime factors, we have to find the LCM. Here what we'll do, see, we'll see the first number. First number is 2. Now we have to see in which factorization this 2 is repeated maximum number of times. See, here in 12 it is repeating 2 times, but in 18 it is repeating 1 time. So for this situation we'll take 2 times where it is repeating maximum number of times. Now the second situation, 3 is in the 12. 3 is in the prime factorization of 12, but it is 1 time only. But in 18 it's 2 times, and we are expecting and we are interested to take where it is maximum number of times. So that number I'm taking in the LCM. In the first situation 2 was repeating maximum time. In second 3 was repeating maximum number time. No other number is there, so LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So what we have to do, we have to take which number is repeating maximum, in which part it's repeating maximum number of time. In 12, 2 is repeating maximum number of time. So from 12, we have taken the pair of 2. In 13, in 18, sorry, in 18, 3 is repeating maximum number of time. So we are taking 3 2 times because it is repeating maximum here. So what will be the LCM here? By multiplying these numbers, 2 2s are 4 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 is equal to 36. So 36 will be our answer. 36 will be answer. What we have done? We have written their prime factors. We have done the prime factorization. After doing the prime factorization, we have checked where it is repeating maximum number of time. In 18, 2 is once only. In 12, 2 is repeating 2 times. So we have taken where it is maximum number of time. Same with 3. By multiplying all these, we'll get the result. So 36 will be the LCM here. So least common multiple of 12 and 18 will be 36. Will be 36. Now the next method, the last one method is here by common division method. By common division method, so what are the steps for finding common division method? So for this also we are doing the prime factorization, but we are taking all the numbers together here. All the numbers together here. So I'm going to start taking the common division here. 20, 25 and 30. They are the three numbers. So firstly, I'm going to do it on 2. 2 ones are 2, 0. 25 can't go, so keeping it as it is. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. After that, one number is only going on 2. 2 fives are 10. Rest writing as it is. Now after that, at third step, all numbers are coming in the table of 5. So I'm going to divide it as 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, 5 threes are 15. Now students, you can see 1, 5 and 3, all three are the prime numbers now. All three are the prime numbers. That means our prime factorization done. So what will be the LCM here? We are going to multiply these numbers. What are the number on the left hand side and the last line? 2 into 2 into 5. After that, this 5 and 3. So in starting, 2 is repeating 2 times. Then 5, I'm not taking 1. 1 is not a prime. Then 5 and 3. So you have to give the result from here. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 25s are 100 and 2 3. So here LCM will be 300. Here LCM will be 300. This was the method of common division. Here also we are using prime factorization, but the method is here common division for finding the factors. Okay student, this was the method of finding the LCM. After that, you can try these methods by different way. LCM by the prime factorization, by common multiple and common division. It's your choice. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you students.